As chamomile relaxes our nervous system, it also relaxes the stress we hold in our muscles. I reach for Matricaria chamomilla whenever there's muscle tension related to stress or simply muscle tension leading to pain. I've seen it relieve severe menstrual cramps as well as headaches that are accompanied by excess tension in the upper back. Since pain can often be accompanied by emotional distress, chamomile brings welcome relief on many levels. In one clinical study, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, were compared with chamomile in women with PMS. After 2 months, those using chamomile had a reduction in pain similar to that of the women using the NSAIDs. And those using the chamomile also had significantly fewer emotional symptoms. Another study looked at topical chamomile for carpal tunnel syndrome pain. In this pilot study, the researchers concluded that chamomile oil improves symptomatic and functional status of patients with severe carpal tunnel syndrome. For relieving muscle tension and pain, chamomile can be taken internally as a tea, tincture, or glycerite. It can also be used externally on the affected area as an infused oil. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.